This seems to be the most popular mango in Jamaica because everybody always talk about East Indian. So I'm gonna try it in a while and give you guys a full review. Alright then people, let's so now for the ultimate test, the East Indian. Because I must eat the skin and everything, so let's see. Nah.
What?
Skin is hard. Texture of the skin, very hard. It's juicy, but the skin, nah. If it was a Julie mango skin very soft, and you can eat the skin, but nah. Who want this one? Who want this one? Who want this one? I have one to give away.
Where's the boy mango?
The mango is skin firm. You know Julie, the skin kinda like soft and you could eat the skin, but the skin feel kinda like firm, very like hardish.
Then good things protected. Good. Good things are always protected. Good
No man, I wouldn't eat the skin, but overall guys, it's a sweet mango. It's very sweet and juicy. Very sweet and juicy. If you notice, very sweet and juicy. Stay tuned. Huh? Me? Yeah man, me mango skin, yes.
Hey bro.
Well, you gotta tell me eat the skin. Why you not eat the skin?
Make them not eat the skin.
Yes guys, we're out there without fear. Stay tuned.